In the commercial break, I asked our producer, Jason, I said, Jason, did Degas pick Veeva Systems because he somehow knew about the RBI? And he said, no, it was just pure coincidence. But Veeva is actually, just random but interesting, one of the picks you brought with you today. How about that?
Brian, spot on, because we like what Peter Gessner is doing as the CEO and founder of Veeva. And so what they're focusing on is that research around for medical services, life sciences. 9 out of the 10 analysts have started to increase their estimates for revenue and earnings for this company. Plus, it has a forecasted profit margin of 20%. On top of that, Brian, it actually reinvests 20% of their revenues back into research and development to continue to do innovative solutions.
Kind of a rare story these days when we're talking about raising earnings estimates, Degas. I mean, we never hear about that. So that's just a nice coincidence there. Veeva getting the double plug in the same block, if you will, of TV. IBM. That's another name you brought with us. And IBM, man, this is a name that's been so hotly debated for so long.
Yeah, this is not your parents' Big Blue. Under Arvind Krishna, they're focusing on the hybrid cloud, artificial intelligence, and computer consulting. They have a dividend yield of 5%. They have a return on invested capital of about 15%, and it has a 27 times multiple. This company is doing all the right things in a new area of technology.
Yeah, I mean, maybe your parents' IBM was a good name back in the day, but they need to adjust, and it sounds like you think they are. And then we just talked about oil. We talked about oil's role in the price of chemicals. That is not apparently scaring you off. Dow Chemical.
Dow Chemical, under the leadership of Jim Frenlund, the CEO since 2020, and he's been an employee of Dow Company since 1984. I really like what he's doing on cost reduction and also the restructuring of the debt. This is going to result in higher earnings, and also they'll be able to invest in new projects. They have a return on invested capital of around 15%. And also, I like the fact that what they're doing with the structuring of their overall debt, as I said, is coming down. They're going to be able to do more investments in new projects. So I really like Dow. And if you think about it, they're making the artificial turf, the materials for golf balls. They're in growth industries.
So Veeva, IBM, and Dow, very quickly, those are your picks. On a macro view, Degas, what's the next most important data point for you? Is it the Fed? Is it the job market? Is it inflation? Is it something else?
Well, one of the things that we're really looking at is that we feel that we're getting into a recession. The Atlanta Fed came out with their forecast for second quarter of about a negative 2.1 for GDP growth. This follows a negative first quarter. Now, the National Bureau of Economic Research may not announce a recession because of the strong labor market. Right now, we're at about a 3.6 unemployment rate. That is the lowest in the last 50 years. Plus, there's 2 job vacancies for every unemployed person. Yeah. So we feel that the labor market is going to be a driver here and will continue to maybe keep us out of recession for a little bit longer.